Hey everybody, how's it going? I've got kind of a little bit of a crazy idea today. I'm going to attach a camera to a kite, fly the kite, then fly the drone, taking a picture of the kite with the camera on it, and make this movie of me doing the whole thing. So I'm calling this one Flight Inception. The first step is to figure out a kite I want to fly. Now these are just really cheap dollar store kites, a very simple triangle type of kite. Okay, here's the kite I decided on. Let's go ahead and see how she flies. Okay, so little bit erratic, but I think we can do this. All right, so let's get the other components going. All right, the next thing I'm gonna do here is see if the kite works with this little Sony version of kind of a GoPro in a case, and let's see if it can fly. Okay, don't have a lot of wind right now. All right, this is gonna be such shaky footage on that little handy cam. All right, the third step, of course, is the drone, and I'm gonna go ahead and put that up in a stationary position and try to fly the kite. What you just missed was an epic crash. One of the props came off, and yeah, the drone might have had a little problem, so let me try to fix it. All right, if you've seen my other videos, you've seen that I've already crashed this before, and they come with replaceable props, so make sure you get the right kind. So this is prop B, so I'm putting prop B in, and then the camera is going to be the trickiest part. So if you saw my other video about the crash, you'll notice that the unique drone comes with this bypass, and so all I should have to do is plug this in right here to the little bypass and then basically hook it up underneath. So let me see if I can figure that out. Okay, what I did was I cable tied the base plate for the gimbal, and then I basically taped it to the body of the drone. I think that's gonna work for now. Let's give it a try. I got the drone flying. Let's get this on. Here goes. So that kite went over the freaking trees, over the power lines. The dog's leg got stuck in the twine. Now I gotta go try to find the kite. Man, anybody want to hire a film crew to follow me around? Because this is just too hard for one person. Look at this bullshit. The kite's way the hell down there. Man.